This lesson covers important adjectives that describe width. The words are wide, narrow, thick, and thin. Each word describes size in different ways related to width or depth. The word wide describes something that has a large distance from one side to the other side. Narrow means something that has a small distance from side to side. These words describe how much space something takes across. A wide road has many lanes where cars can drive comfortably. A narrow path fits only one person at a time. Wide means there is plenty of space side to side. Narrow means the space side to side is very small. A wide shirt fits loosely over the body, giving more room. A narrow alley is small and tight, fitting only a few people at once. These examples help show the difference between large and small width. Thick means having a big distance between opposite surfaces, like a thick book. Thin means having a small distance between opposite surfaces, like a thin piece of paper. These words describe depth or how tall something is from front to back. A thick book has many pages and feels heavy. A thin slice of bread is light and flat. These examples help show the difference between large and small thickness. Wide and narrow describe the distance side to side. Thick and thin describe the depth or space between surfaces. Knowing these differences helps you use each word correctly when describing objects. Use wide and narrow for side-to-side size. Use thick and thin for the distance between surfaces or depth. These words help you describe the size and shape of many objects in everyday life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.